nice fill too, because I had my order down at stupid fill and it got filled. Well, nice little pop here. I got filled a little bit on that one strike. So I got full size on one strike on Amazon now. Short. Show me the money. I just got paid. 37.50 would be my next target here. Wouldn't mind selling into strength at all. Come on now, someone buy my
order fill.
Oh, look at the house. Like, come on, someone buy my stuff, and just that quick they bought it. Amazon's sold off hard, and anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out some more of this. I'm going to get down to a couple of contracts with a profit stop. Hell, they're up $45, so.